Hello my sunflowers, welcome back to the channel. This is Ishita with 2 E's, and आज की video is the second episode of hashtag Fashion Quickies. I've also tried to include some generic skincare questions because I was getting a lot of them in my normal Q&As, so I thought let's do it. And to my surprise, a lot of you had more skincare questions rather than fashion questions, so it's gonna be a good blend between the two. I know I said my fashion quickies हर month करना चाहती, but somehow I didn't get the time to do it February के बाद से, but अभी I will do it regularly. जैसे I've started doing monthly favorites every month and touch wood 3 months have been regular. I believe we can do this regularly as well. So yeah, without wasting any more time and making this intro very long, I'm gonna start with this. So what goes best with mom jeans? Shoes, heels, flats, or what? These trends I don't get. I think shoes decide करना shouldn't depend on the kind of bottom that you're wearing. Shoes vibe decide करते हैं. Like अगर आप कुछ बहुत ही casual रहना चाहते हो, then of course you can go for flats या फिर shoes. या फिर if you want to look a little more presentable and थोड़ा sexy and all, तो black heels पहन सकते हो. Like if I'm wearing this top with a basic blue denim, अगर मैं इसके साथ black shoes पहन लूँगी, instantly थोड़ा वो casual लगेगा. But if I add stilettos या फिर block heels, it will look more dressed up. So ये शूज़ वाइब डिसाइड करते हैं. मॉम जीन्स के साथ आप फ्लैट शूज़ हील्स कुछ भी पहन सकते हो. जस्ट हैव अ क्लियर आइडिया इन योर माइंड कि आप कौन सी वाइब के लिए जा रहे हो. What to wear on a date? So I've actually done this entire video on what to wear on a date. I would suggest कि आप एक बार वो देख लो. But if I have to wear something right now, like अभी अगर I have to go out on a date, I would probably wear a maxi dress. मैं उस video में I said that I want to wear a jeans, but अभी it's way too hot for a denim, so I would go for a dress. Wouldn't go for a very short dress because I live in Lucknow and I don't know, short dress तो मैं पहन भी नहीं पाऊंगी बाहर comfortably. So would probably go for a knee length dress या फिर उससे थोड़ी लंबी सी dress. I enjoy florals. I feel like florals can be very casual at the same time look very romantic. So a knee length या फिर full length floral dress is what I would go for. बाकी ट्रस्ट ही मैंने बहुत कैजुअल से लेके ड्रेस्ड अप डेट लुक्स बताए हैं इस वीडियो में, so you can watch that. Suggest a face wash for dry skin, non-drying. So I have recently discovered this new brand called Delinsers. It's a luxury skincare brand which makes 100% natural organic products. So I've been using their 100% natural face wash, which has the goodness of lemon, honey, saffron and frangipani. What I love about this face wash is it's very mild and non-drying. Trust, this is very good for sensitive skin as well as dry skin. So if you're looking for a face wash, go for this one. इसकी एक बहुत ही mild सी citrusy smell है, like fragrance है, which I find very refreshing. This brand also claims that there have been no artificial fragrances added. तो जो भी fragrance है, it's all because of the natural ingredients. It brightens my face, removes all dirt without leaving my skin all stretchy and dry. This is sulfate, silicon and paraben free and is also dermatologically tested. It comes in a eco-friendly glass bottle. I genuinely enjoy using this. And as you can see, I'm almost twinning with the bottle, I just realized. So yeah, it's a great face wash. You can try this one out. You can also use my code to save some extra bucks. So Shalaka has said, I'm so excited for this one. I've already watched the first one tons of times. Thank you so much. So she has asked for a casual look for a day out in monsoon season. So monsoon से मुझे पुणे ही याद आता है because वहाँ पे 6 महीने monsoon रहती है. And I used to love wearing these kind of shoes. I don't know what they're called. मैंने बरसाती बोलती थी. ये मैंने randomly 300 rupees के एक local market से उठा लिए थे. And I loved them. They are like a सस्ती copy of Birkenstock. Monsoon में सबसे पहले पैर गीले होते हैं, तो नीचे कुछ प्लास्टिक का कुछ comfy सा पहन लो. If you have Crocs, go for them. So I would always wear this pair of shoes with everything during the monsoons. अगर मुझे कहीं casually बाहर जाना होगा तो I would probably wear these flats with a bodycon dress, something short. Because full length का कुछ भी पहनोगे उस पे वो गंदे कीचड़ के छींटे पड़ जाते हैं. It's disgusting. मैंने इस बार गलती से white denim बाहर पहन ली थी and I regretted it. So go for something short. Short की length you have to decide whatever you are comfortable with. I've been meaning to get these Bermuda shorts for myself. इसका size गलत आ गया था. I actually ordered it from H&M. So you can go for these shorts. I think ये बहुत ज़्यादा short नहीं होते. They are somewhere above knee. So you can pair these kind of shorts with this shoe and with some casual tee. I think it's a very casual monsoon look. Any styling tips for apple shaped body? Also how to style long curly hair. First of all, long curly hair, you are blessed with it. I don't have curls and long hair. Just joking, मुझे अपने बाल पसंद है guys, it's okay. I feel like curly or wavy hair, when you clutch them up थोड़ा ऊपर ना, तो जो fall आता है, it looks really cool. Also you can make a high top bun, should look good. And styling tips for apple shaped body. किसी और ने भी पूछा था the difference between apple and pear shaped. I think they were confused about their body shape. So just imagine the two fruits that we're talking about. तो apple की shape imagine करोगे तो you see that the upper portion is broader than the lower portion. So basically it means that your shoulders are broader than your hips. That's what my body type is. And pear में ये होता है that the lower body is curvier and broader than the shoulders. And talking about apple shaped body hacks, I feel मैं सारी advices अभी नहीं दे पाऊंगी. I might do a separate styling video for that, but the basic that I follow every time is that I try to bring more attention to my lower body, because अगर मैं कुछ बहुत ही dramatic सा ऊपर पहनूंगी तो my shoulders look even more broad. So I try to wear boxy and baggy denims नीचे, and I also wear high waisted bottoms ताकि पूरा attention सीधे मेरे lower bottom पे जाए, and it draws more attention from my broad shoulders. And also as somebody who is a size double D, yeah, I don't know how I was a D, अब मैं थोड़ा double D भी हो गई हूँ. I specifically avoid wearing बहुत boxy कपड़े upper body पे, because they make me look even more bulky, जबकि मैं उतनी हूँ नहीं. It's because my chest size is broad and थोड़ा ज़्यादा, तो it looks like I have a lot of fat here, जबकि मेरी कमर पतली रहती है. So I always prefer wearing well fitted tops. राखी outfit ideas, obviously 4 दिन बचे हैं राखी के लिए. So last year में मुझे लग रहा है मैं हर एक क्वेश्चन में एक अपनी वीडियो प्लग इन कर रही हूँ, बट ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव मेड these styling videos already. Rakhi for me has always been a very casual सा Indian festival जहाँ पे I don't want to go all blingy सा. अगर आपके पास कुछ बांधनी या लहरिया प्रिंट का होगा ना, pair that with some silver jewelry. I think that will look amazing. Wanna take your plazos, a very well fitted crop top, wear some silver jewelry and you're sorted. Or you can wear your maxi dresses with a lot of silver jewelry, or some cotton top with some print that looks ethnic with denims. Yes, you can wear your denims on Rakhi as well. ऐसा कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है. So yeah, would probably wear something like that. Doable Y2K fits. Now, if you don't know, Y2K fashion is basically year 2000s ka fashion, which was all about low waist flared denims, crop tops, colorful prints, a lot of abstract prints, and those colorful chunky jewelry, and ऐसी chunky rings as well, and also the shoulder bags, like the baguette bags is one trend that I am all up for. In fact, I have like 5-6 of them. So such a simple way to look more Y2K appropriate would be just pair your favorite denims with a basic crop top and just add that shoulder bag and a chunky ring. Yeah, you will look really Y2K appropriate. And all you had to invest in was just 2 simple accessories. So yeah. By the way, thanks for this idea. I think I might make a reel on this. What's in your handbag? So again, I think I've shown this in the video. I have like random ass things in my handbag. Actually, leke aan do. So I have my favorite bag currently. It's also very Y2K. So I think इसमें से मैंने अपना wallet वगैरह हटा दिया होगा. But random चीज़ों में है lipstick. I just carry a lipstick. Then there is a scrunchie, this rose water, and some change. Now this is like a very refreshing mist, facial mist. This is again from the same brand, Delixir. They gifted it to me and I started keeping it in my handbag, and this has come very handy. If you've been following my vlogs, you know कि मैं घर के कामों के लिए बाहर जाती हूँ and I do not have any makeup on because बाहर बहुत धूप और गर्मी होती है. So I just use it as a facial mist. So refreshing. This is 100% pure distilled rose water. It refreshes your skin and also makes your skin more smooth and dewy. You can also use it as a facial toner. I remember मैं college में तो rose water को makeup remover की तरह भी use करती थी, but not on waterproof stuff obviously. But yeah, this does a very good job as a facial mist. Again, you can use my coupon code if you want to. बाकी if you want to see a very detailed what's in my bag, ये तो मैंने अभी randomly उठा के दिखा दिया, you can see this video. My face has developed too much pigmentation this lockdown. Any suggestions? So I recently noticed this कि मेरे भी यहाँ पे like mouth के around काफ़ी pigmentation था about 2 months ago. and I've been very regular with vitamin C serums, and that has improved the pigmentation by a very noticeable margin कि मैंने notice कर लिया. So vitamin C is something that you should definitely invest in. If you want two brands that can work for you, जिनके मैंने भी खुद अच्छे reviews देखे हैं, first would be Plum. Plum ka vitamin C is great, and second one would be Minimalist. I've heard good reviews about that as well. Where is your jungle camouflage shorts top set from? That is the night set that I wear a lot in the vlogs and वैसे भी when I'm shooting. That was from Lulu and Sky. मैंने haul किया था. Strapless tubes and bra for busty ladies. What I'm wearing right now मैं link कर दूँगी नीचे description box में पक्का. What to wear at office post COVID in summers? New trends. First of all, congratulations जिसके भी ऑफिस खुल रहे हैं. I really hope you guys are excited for it. और कुछ नहीं तो तुम लोग अपने होम टाउन से बाहर निकल पाओगे, घर से बाहर निकल पाओगे. I'm very jealous of you guys. If I had to go back to Pune to my office, एक चीज़ जो मैं पक्का इन्वेस्ट करने वाली हूँ would be in a wide legged formal trousers. I will include some options and pictures here. I feel like this is one trend that you should definitely opt for because ये formal भी होगा, but at the same time this would be very comfy. We've all been at homes and we've all done work in our PJs. PJs allowed नहीं है office में. So go for very comfy bottoms. That's it. I feel ये सारे body shapes पे suit भी करेगा. How do you manage to not get pimples? The thing is, my skin type is not. I've never had pimples actually. जब puberty stage भी आती है, a lot of people get acne. I did not get acne. मुझे acne तब हुआ when my PCOD got worse. And अभी भी I don't have acne. I get small zits जब मैं बहुत ही अनशन खाती हूँ. So my skin type is not acne prone actually. Please मेरी skin को अपना ideal skin type मत बनाना. My skin and your skin might be very different. Cheap skincare routine for dry skin. Whether you have dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, I feel like कुछ cheap and सस्ता टिकाऊ चाहिए. Just opt for a mild cleanser, a moisturizer and a sunscreen. ये तीन चीज़ें आपको लेनी चाहिए. That is it. And if you want suggestions, cleanser और a moisturizer में go for Cetaphil. It's tried and tested. बहुत ही generic से products हैं which will not give you any reaction. It's trustworthy. Sunscreen में you can opt for the Requel one. Go for 30+ SPF. That's it. What to wear under gym tights to avoid awkward panty lines, especially while working out. So I don't know मैंने कब किसके Q&A में देख लिया था, but some fitness influencer said that she stopped wearing panties under her leggings, and मैंने एक दिन try किया, and since then I've actually been very comfortable without panties. So yeah, I don't actually wear any panties, but you can go for the seamless ones. There are panties that look very seamless. I'll link them for you. I think I got them from Zivame. These do not have any panty lines, no matter how tight your leggings are, but I go all commando under leggings. How to look sexy and fashionable with less skin show. Family doesn't allow to wear short clothes. I don't know why people think कि short clothes पहनने से ही you look fashionable and sexy. You can look really hot in full modesty as well. First example, invest in material that screams sexiness, like black satin. A satin top can be great. You can also offer satin dresses up to your comfort level. जैसे मेरे पास एक blue satin dress थी. Now उसमें काफ़ी thin straps थे, but you can offer something different. Something like a square neckline in a satin dress would look really nice and would be very modest as well. Also my go-to look कहीं भी जाने के लिए is always a high-waisted denim. Like a high-waisted straight या फिर flared denim along with a well-fitted top. I feel I look really good and fashionable and I'm not showing that much skin. So yeah. Also layering helps a lot. You can look really trendy and fashionable with layering the right pieces. I know अभी Instagram पे इतना overflow हो रहा है of mini crop tops and mini skirts with very weird cutout वाली flared pants. But you can look sexy and fashionable in modesty as well. I would suggest following Alfia. She does modest fashion so well, so yeah, go follow her. So this is Deepti. She was with me in my belly dance beginner classes. I remember she does a very good job. She's very cute. So she wants to know what kind of outfits would be best for hiding but showing a little bit of chubby waist. Oh, you want to hide and show as well. So see, मैं अपना तरीका ही बताऊंगी. So what I always do is I wear my high-waisted denims and bottoms. Like अभी भी मैंने high-waisted पैंट्स पहनी है विद दिस क्रॉप टॉप. व्हाट दैट डज इज वो लोअर एब्डोमेन फैट कवर कर लेता है, हाइड कर लेता है, या फिर हाइड तो नहीं होगा देखो फैट, बट इट जस्ट isn't visible. Invest in good high-waisted denims, bottoms, skirts, जो भी आपका comfort zone हो. And उसके साथ I go for crop tops. तो उसमें मेरा mid waist हमेशा दिखता है. So that is my way of hiding the fat, but at the same time showing a little bit of my tummy. I hope I'm making sense. I feel like मेरा size हमेशा ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है. If I'm working out, I get a few sizes down. नहीं तो I become M size या L size. But I always go for outfits जिसमें मेरा mid waist visible. I don't know why. That just makes me feel confident. What to wear when you visit your crush's school? Reunion with him as a dance partner. When you visit your crush's school with him, मतलब you're going as a dance partner with your crush. तो उसका मतलब तो you have to wear something really beautiful. Go for a full length maxi gown with a very nice slit. I think Berry Lush does such kind of gowns and I love them. You can go for those. या फिर कोई knee से नीचे तक का बहुत ही सुंदर सा satin dress would look amazing. I think मैं satin dress हर आंसर में घुसा रही हूँ, but it would look really nice and it would look sexy as well. And I think with this we've come to the end of this Q&A. I am not sure मैंने कितनी लंबी वीडियो रखी है, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Leave a comment down below and actually leave queries for the next fashion quickie video. I promise, I pakka swear to God, I will make this a monthly thing again. That is all for this video. I'll see you next time.